We have a Fox 35 follow-up today on the death of a 10-year-old boy who police say died after being tortured by his mother and her boyfriend. They were supposed to be in court this morning, but in the end weren't there. But the family of the accused was there.
Whatever punishment God sees fit, as long as they don't get away with it.
And this is our big story at 5:30. Xavier Williams died last week after a month-long fight in the hospital.
That boy's mother and her boyfriend are both charged with second-degree murder. Fox 35's Randy Hildreth spoke with the boy's aunt.
You could see the family's disappointment. They showed up for today's hearing, and Walker and Mills were not here. And you may remember the family and several of the aunts are from Connecticut, so they are traveling back and forth. But one aunt told me distance doesn't matter. They plan to be at everything until they can get justice for this little boy. The family of 10-year-old Xavier Williams hope his mom and her boyfriend show up to their next court hearing.
If I just get to look her in the eye one time, I don't know what I would accomplish from that, but I feel like I just need to do that.
Xavier's aunt, Kimberly Mills, says they just can't understand what happened.
I don't know how she did that, knowing that, you were the one that was supposed to protect your child.
Monday, both Kimberly Mills and her boyfriend, Andre Walker, waived their arraignment on their felony murder charge. They also waived their first appearance before a Lake County judge last week. The couple is accused of torturing and ultimately killing Mills' 10-year-old son. Although they dodged the hearing, Xavier's family and aunts hope justice is served as the case plays out.
Whatever punishment God sees fit, as long as they don't get away with it.
Xavier's police say the couple would tape the boy to a ladder and drop weights on his stomach as punishment. Williams says Xavier's father didn't know about the alleged abuse and claims Mills tried to limit contact before the boy's death.
He didn't know what was going on even 3 weeks prior to this happening. She took away the phones that he bought them. No communication, even the limited family members that was here.
Williams says they're also trying to be strong for Xavier's younger brother, who police say may have experienced abuse as well and may have seen the alleged abuse to his older brother.
Because that's a lot of trauma for a kid. Can't begin to imagine or understand what he's going through.
Mills has entered a not guilty plea. Walker has not entered a plea. Both remain in jail with no bond. The funeral service is set for April 26th back in Connecticut. Reporting in Tiberias, Randy Hildreth, Fox 35 News.